Alright guys, so this video will be before and after video as well for this bathroom. This is the original bathroom to this house. Nothing has been done to the bathroom besides the surround and this, what are you going to call this, glass door for the bathtub. Obviously it needs a heavy remodeled, obviously. Pink tiles gotta go, flooring gotta go, pink tub. Not sure if we want to repaint that or replace it with an acrylic. As you can see right here, this drywall right here is very old, and the paper to the drywall is actually failing because of just so much moisture in this room. Now, this bathroom has two exhaust fans, one there and one there, and it's still not enough for the humidity in this room when using the hot shower. It's just baking steam in here, and it's not going anywhere. You can see some mold growth here. It's not bad, a few spots, but you can see right here where the actual paper back of it actually peeled off before, and here and there. So we're actually, and even here. So what's gonna happen is that during this demolition, I'm not gonna like basically take off every tile. I'm just gonna cut straight across, replacing almost the majority of all the walls, drywall in here before even tackling anything else. This vanity sink right here is gonna be replaced as well with a 36.5-inch vanity. It's gonna be taller, but more narrow. So you have more walking space right here. Toilet will be replaced with a new one, larger one. And the tiles will be taken off and replaced with a more modern, like the 12 by 24-inch porcelain tiles. As far as the theme of this bathroom right now is most likely will be more like a black and grayish kind of vibe in here. To counteract the dark tones in this room, we're going to be adding 4 can lights, one above the shower. I think maybe 3 or 4. 1 here, 2, 3. So maybe 3 can lights and 1 big, large exhaust fan for this bathroom to counteract the just the steam coming off the shower and get all that moisture in the air out after, you know. So we're gonna solve a lot of problems with this remodel. See what I mean? It's just, that's the paper backing to it.
Next level.
I got about 3 hours into this job right now. I'm trying to get this flange off, and it's just free spinning, right? So I was just curious if it was just me not having enough strength to take it out. I got my spy cam going on, and check this out. It broke loose. Even though the flange is still in the tub, but it broke loose from the actual pipe, which is good because now I can lift the tub up. But the bad thing is that it's rusted so bad that it actually broke off the fitting, so not so good.
Next level.
Alright, so at this point, vanity is out. I'm just gonna finish removing the tub, clean the floor up, and then we're gonna call it a day. Still have to plan on what to do with the subfloor. It's not bad in some areas, but I don't know, man. Just taking this whole subfloor, replacing it seems like a Okay, so today's day 13. We skip a few days of recording due to the issue of this tub. Initially, we had 2 failed water tests for this tub at the seal right here. The PVC cement, the way it was mended, the overflow in the drain, there's a slight couple degrees, a few degrees off from, I guess, being squared, and that completely threw off the drain placement. So when I tighten this up, the drain actually gets pulled up, created the leak. And I could not figure it out. I thought it was a tub defect, and at this point I was stressed out because the tub was already mortared, it was already mortared into the floor. It's already leveled out, screwed in right there. So at this point it's no return. So I lost a whole day doing that, and yesterday lost almost half a day doing the plumbing for this. Today we're gonna bag this wall up and try to level out things and make sure this is basically leveled. Yeah, so we're gonna bag this, cement board this, do a thin set cover for all the seams, and then once that dry, we're gonna do a red guard on top of that tomorrow or tonight even, once the thin set cures, and then let that cure, and then we're gonna paint the room, put the vanity in tomorrow and whatnot. So hopefully today all goes well. Hopefully everything lines up as it should. Painting day, I guess. Finishing up the walls before putting the floor down. Got the tub cleaning up. Got helping hand today. She's gonna clean up most of the dirty stuff, which has already been done. We're just gonna focus on the walls, and then we're gonna finish our day off laying the first coat of cement down, and then the harder back flooring. And then tomorrow we're gonna come back and revisit. So we gotta waterproof this. So we're far from tackling this bathtub surround. But today we're going to focus on the rest of the bathroom itself, and hopefully we finish soon. So it's about 2 weeks and 2 days. We're at a point where we're putting down the backup boards before tiling, but before that we have to figure out if this floor is level. So in this case, I found out the hard way it is not. So the line you see right here is where it's actually has a grade to it from the center towards the tub. It's a 1/4 inch different on this end versus the center, and from the center to that end, especially that bowl right there towards the vanity, is also a 1/4 inch off. So I just got back from Home Depot, got a Level Quick primer along with the self-leveling cement. Hopefully I can just pour it down and solve all my problems. I originally laid down the tiles 4-piece across going backwards with a 40 or 30% overlap with manufacturer recommendation, just because of the long tiles. You just can't do the 50% overlap. So I'm going 40% overlap, and again initially I did the whole 4 tiles across, bringing it out, have a little sliver at the end. Didn't really like that, so now we're gonna center our tile in the middle of the room, which I got my line here and there. So we're gonna start from the center out and let's see how it looks like. I will get that in a time lapse and basically do a waterproofing membrane for the surround, and then hopefully by the afternoon I'm going to lay down the first set of tiles, let it cure overnight, and then tomorrow I can just finish up the whole wall tomorrow or Thursday. So that's where we are right now. Floor is good, feels solid, grout is in, sink is working by the way, toilet is working. Love these new handles. Really nice. Only thing I don't like about the sink is that it's so narrow. If I knew from the initial plan, probably would have got like a 40-inch sink or something, but that was short-sighted of me. Trimming would be this weekend, not big priority.